Want to invest in real estate without buying a house? REITs let you do exactly that and earn passive income along the way. Let me show you how. REIT stands for Real Estate Investment Trust. Think of it like a company that owns or finances real estate, shopping malls, apartments, hospitals, and pays out most of its income to invest like you. REITs make money mainly through rent or property appreciation, and by law, they have to pay at least 90% of their taxable income back to shareholders, usually in the form of dividends. That means if you own REIT shares, you get paid regularly, often quarterly. There are three main types: equity REITs, which own buildings, mortgage REITs, which loan money to real estate owners, and hybrid REITs that do a bit of both. Pros: you get real estate exposure, steady dividend income, and can start with just a few bucks. Downsides: REIT prices can still drop like stocks, and dividends are often taxed as regular income. You can start investing in REITs today through apps like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Robinhood. Just search for a REIT or an ETF like VNQ and you're in. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more beginner investing tips, and drop your questions in the comments. I reply to every single one.